Make your holiday merry and bright with help from Christmas light companies Vividcore and Vividcore Premium LED C7 and C9 replacement bulbs. These bulbs are available in a range of colors and finishes. Choose from a wide array of traditional whites to festive colors with either a faceted or smooth finish. What sets Vividcore Premium lights apart from Vividcore lights is their brightness and durability. Vividcore LED C7 and C9 bulbs have a polycarbonate casing and feature a bottom-lit diode, making these bulbs brighter and more durable than traditional incandescent bulbs. They are perfect for setting up quality displays quickly and easily. But if you're looking for even brighter bulbs that will give your displays that extra wow factor, then Vividcore Premium bulbs are for you. These LED bulbs have a thicker casing and utilize a vertical LED filament that evenly illuminates the bulb from top to bottom, making them 50% brighter and stronger than Vividcore bulbs. Faceted bulbs are perfect for creating eye-catching, vibrant displays that will stand out above the rest. For a look that closely matches traditional incandescent colored bulbs, choose opaque Vividcore Premium lamps. So whether you go with Vividcore or Vividcore Premium, know you are getting the spirit of the holidays in each bulb. You can find these and other high-quality LED Christmas lights by calling 1-800-624-4488 or shopping at 1000bulbs.com. 1000 Bulbs, changing the way the world buys lighting.